Did you know you can actually buy and sell at the same time? Stick around because I'm about to teach you a feature of NinjaTrader that I bet you didn't know about. You've probably never seen this before. Check out how the number of contracts is displayed here. The first number represents the number of contracts for each individual trade, while the second number shows the total net position between the two. Green means it's a buy-long position, and red indicates a short-sell position. Right now, for the same ES contract on the same account, I'm holding 2 contracts long and 3 contracts short at the same time. Let's dive into how this is possible and how you can use this feature to your advantage. And the best part? You can buy and sell at the same time with all account types, whether it's self-funded brokerage accounts, Tradovate, or rhythmic-funded futures prop firms. If you learn something new, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. You can also copy trade these simultaneous buy and sell positions to multiple accounts, ensuring the fastest order fills with ultra-low latency by using our NinjaTrader VPS. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to ninjamobiletrader.com to get started. If you've ever wanted to know how to hedge in NinjaTrader, run an automated strategy while manually chart trading, or even swing trade and scalp at the same time, here's how. This feature allows you to track different positions, each with their own profit targets and stop losses, completely independently from one another. It's extremely powerful because it lets you run an automated strategy on one instrument while also manually trading the same instrument on the same account, without either trade interfering with the other. For example, you could have an intraday swing trade running long on a 15-minute chart, while simultaneously scalping the same market on a 1-minute chart. This feature allows you to manage and display each of these trades separately on different charts. Your scalp trades can be in the same or opposite direction of your swing trade. So, while your intraday swing trade is long for the day, you can simultaneously scalp the short-term dips by selling those dips throughout the day. To enable this feature, right-click in Chart Trader, select Properties, and look for the ATM Strategy Selection Mode. The default setting when you first install NinjaTrader is Select Active ATM Strategy on Order Submission. What this means is that when you place a trade, it stays on the same ATM, and you'll notice a lightning bolt icon next to the ATM, indicating that it's active on the chart. If you add more contracts to the position, the profit targets and stop loss consolidate at the average price. However, if you try to buy and sell at the same time in this mode, it will close out the position. So this beginner mode isn't what we're looking for if you want to hedge or trade simultaneously in different directions. The next mode option is Keep Selected ATM Strategy Template on Order Submission. This mode works by creating a new bracket for each order instead of consolidating the profit target and stop loss. It's great when you want to scale into a larger overall position, but prefer the stop loss and profit target brackets calculated separately for each of the individual orders. It's also very useful for trading breakouts. For example, you can easily place a buy stop and sell stop order simultaneously on the chart right before market open or major news event. Then, no matter which way the market moves, up or down, you're positioned to profit and scalp as many ticks as you want from the breakout. But the mode we're really interested in, and I bet you've never seen before, is the Display Selected ATM Strategy Only mode. This is the game-changing mode that lets you buy and sell at the same time. Any changes you make in the properties here can also be saved, so that all future charts load with your preset settings. To save, simply click on the Preset button at the bottom of the Properties window and select Save. The best part? By getting a server plan with us, you'll get the fastest order fills, ensuring that all of your multiple prop firm accounts experience the least amount of slippage. Plus, with our plans, you can trade from any computer, phone, or tablet. You can even do this from your work computer. No installation required, so it works seamlessly and undetectably on locked-down corporate systems. We've helped thousands of people working at Fortune 500 companies to trade from their work computers. So if that's something you've wanted to do but didn't know how, send us an email to support@ninjamobiletrader.com and we'll help set it up for you. Check out the link to our website in the description of this video. And if you learned something new in this tutorial on how to buy and sell at the same time in NinjaTrader, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to see more of these types of videos or if you enjoyed this one. Happy trading and stay tuned for the next video release.